Sunset on SEAEXPLORER Yacht Club de Monaco. One day before New Year's Eve. We have a big depression that we leave behind. And 24 hours of light wind. Looking forward to that. Also tomorrow morning I'm gonna hate it when we are stopped. There are small moments where you need to recompensate yourself, I think. Yeah, I'm happy with this day, proud of this day. I repaired my keel motor. I did a lot of sail maneuvers. It was an intense day, and so it's a little goodie. I will open this rum. It's a gift that I got from a journalist in Germany. And the special thing about it is this rum has been sailed from the Caribbean to Hamburg on a sailing cargo vessel called Onboard. And their slogan is Mission Zero. So, cheers.